In this video, I will talk about whether you can use Cash App in Philippines or not. Unfortunately, no, Cash App is not officially available in Philippines. The service is currently limited to the users in the US and until recently in the UK. As of September 15, 2024, Cash App ceased operations in the UK, focusing solely on the US market. While it's technically possible to access Cash App from the Philippines using workarounds, it's not straightforward or officially supported. Some users have attempted to use VPNs to mask their location and link US or UK issued debit card to create an account. However, this method requires a valid social security number or proof of residence in the US or UK, making it inaccessible for the most Filipinos. If you are looking to send or receive money in the Philippines, consider these reliable alternatives like GCash, PayMaya, Coins.ph, or remittance services. These platforms are tailored to needs of the users in the Philippines and provide more accessible and compliant options for financial transactions. So that's it for the video today. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.